middle of this highway. I'm smiling, but harvest season to a great start. Guess what we just did, excitement. I got stalled right in the middle of this highway, so I better move now. My dad helped me figure it out. Okay. Boy, this day just gets better and better. My assumption is I stalled because of my horrible shifting early. So yeah, it started shutting down, so I was able to pull a little bit, but not nearly enough. Good thing it's not too busy right now, and my dad, I just got off video chat with him, figured it out. I'm almost out at another turn. I'm gonna have to slow down, so you know what, we're going 4 miles an hour, you know. But I really just do not want to stall this thing, and I really do not want to go through that many gears. My worst fear came true. I literally stalled in the highway. That was scary. Oh boy. This is not what I thought my first day of harvest would look like, but guys, it doesn't look always pretty. This is real life right here, and I'm okay. We're still here. We're still trucking on. Now I just scared myself by stalling in the middle of the highway. This is why I drive tractors in the field, or just on gravel roads. Getting my practice in, apparently. I am just crawling, people. I'm a snail at this point, but I'm almost at an intersection, like less than a mile. I'm just gonna crawl at this point. It's fine. We don't need to rush it. Slow and steady wins the race, people. I'm smiling, but happened last time. a tractor in the middle of the highway. Yeah, that was scary. Luckily there wasn't that much traffic and we were fine, we were safe. I found out it was not my fault. It was actually, I think it was the alternator. It cuts off fuel sometimes, so then it will stop. So then I just had to push something, like push it back up the bar, and then it let fuel back in. So it was not my fault. So that's good to find out. So this afternoon we will probably try to combine. We're gonna just test to see what the moisture's at, and then we'll see if we can combine, if it has to be dried or if we don't need to use the grain dryers. So yeah, we should be combining wheat here shortly. First sample is secured. Try it. Yeah, it's pretty hard. Not the cleanest sample. Ignore the peas, that's probably from when we were combining peas. Also, we finished the yellow peas, so that's good. Alright, we just finished testing it and it's dry. It was at like a 14.3, so we're gonna go combining. So I'm somewhat trained now. When you're learning something, it's kind of embarrassing, you know? So they were unloading when I was by the truck, so I didn't have to move, but now I'm gonna have to go to them. But we're gonna do it at a standstill. They're not unloading while they're moving. I kind of know how to do this now. I'm fairly confident, so we'll see how long this takes. But I don't know, like 2 to 4 hours. I might really be underestimating though. Our first mission, people. Load this combine. It's Monday. Oh my goodness, this is a mistake now. Come on, get it. Now speed up. It's okay. Come on, get it. Combine 1 and grain cart operator here, and then we got grain truck, service truck. Still trying to figure out the spacing. Check the grain cart, or not the grain cart, the grain truck. A little bit in there, but pretty much empty. That's good. You know it's the first day of harvest when one of your combines decides it wants to break down. So down to one combine already, and we're like not even 2 hours in. We're going on to hour number 8 of combining. It's been going pretty well. We started at just under 15 for moisture and now we're already at 18. So we'll see how much longer we can go. It's going slower already. I'm just waiting to load up. I need one more load to fill my dad's grain truck here. And then he can head off and go to the grain dryer. One of our combines are sitting again. I don't know if it's a header issue again or what, but the boss went down there to go check on that. And I'm just waiting on the other combine till it's full. I just unloaded it like 20 minutes ago. No, less than 20 minutes ago. So, should be getting another load here soon, but we'll see.